There was another gentleman, when he heard this story for 5 minutes, he just kept quiet. I said, sir, are you going to do this film or not? He said, yes, I am going to do it, but how will you make it and how will you release it? And today, when we are doing this trailer, Mr. Anupam Kher, he had to rush because there is something, he has an appointment with Prime Minister. But he sent this message for you. I'll read it out. This is for the media friends. He says, dear friends, first let me say sorry to all of you for not being amongst you on this very special occasion, as I have been invited by the PM and I couldn't refuse. I'm sure Vivek is capable of saying everything I wanted to say, but I want to tell you something about this small yet revolutionary film. When I had signed this film few years ago, I didn't know that Vivek's vision will come true in 2016. It's the directors like him who have the eye to see what's coming and also the guts to tell the truth. Very rarely comes a film which not only captures the socio-political reality of its times, but also has a deep philosophy at the center of its theme. Buddha in a Traffic Jam is one such film. Today it has become a rage amongst every student, youth and everyone who wants India to shine, not by disruption but by constructive actions. It is a very, very important film of our times, as not only it probes deep into current sinister politics, it has deep ideology and philosophy in its heart, and that is love for India. Thanks and Jai Hind. There is another character in the film which was a very complex character, a young bored housewife of a middle-aged professor, and it's very outgoing, very different kind of, very layered performance. I didn't know where to go, and I realized I have a very talented actress as my wife. So I contacted a national award winner, Miss Pallavi Joshi, and then she accepted, and she has done a brilliant role and adds to the cast. Pallavi. Is Aanchal Dwivedi here? Aanchal should be here. Mahi Gill has broken her back. She is bedridden. In fact, she is hospitalized for quite some time. That's why she is not here. But she has promised me, as and when you want, she will give you interviews. Then I want to introduce two extremely talented actors who you saw in the end, who actually bring the authenticity to the entire film. Extremely talented Gopal Singh and Shri Indal Raja. This film does not have traditional music. It was my intention in last 100 years, कहते हैं पिछली शताब्दी के जो सबसे revolutionary, सबसे महान शायर, पोएट, इंटेलेक्चुअल हुए हैं, फैज अहमद फैज. मेरी बहुत इच्छा थी, since this film is so revolutionary, to use his lyrics. And again, by a chance meeting, somebody introduced me to an extremely talented music director who fused folk with rock, and he brought live to Faiz Ahmad Faiz Shairi, extremely talented, who earlier did one brilliant film called Ship of Theseus, Mr. Rohit Sharma. So we got producers who believed in it, started it, producers who want to release it, actors who acted in it, music directors who are doing music, but ultimately your film has to be distributed properly and somebody has to believe in you. And let me tell you, you won't believe it, it's true story. When I found absolutely no support before this JNU thing happened, the real support came from a gentleman, a friend of mine, Akshay Rathi, introduced me to, with Mr. Suraj Barjatya, who I met the other day also. And the entire Barjatya family saw this film. And that was the day I was feeling, oh my God, this the kind of language this film has. और honestly मुझे लग रहा था धरती फट जाए मैं उसमें समा जाऊं. But you won't believe it, people who actually love India, people who really want India to change, it's not about the language. We had to keep this language because we wanted to show the reality the way it is. It was not too sensational. When you see the film, you'll realize. But the entire family believed in me, in us, and they put this film, introduced us to brilliant people, Carnival Cinema, who without questions asked, they said yes, we will distribute it to best of our might. And I would like to invite their CEO, Mr. P.V. Sunil, if he's here. A brilliant young team. We are a very small film. We don't even have stools to sit. Honestly, seriously, because it costs money. I'm going to Hyderabad tomorrow, and then somebody is sending car. We are going to Chennai, somebody takes us out for lunch and dinner. We are living like that. That's how we are doing. We are going institute to institute, and students are not letting us sit down. And we said this is once in a lifetime opportunity, and we must do it. All I am seeking, you have been to lots of trailers. What trailer? मेरी एक film आने वाली है एक महीने बाद T-series की. उसमें we'll have very different kind of trailer launch. I'm sure. But here, on behalf of everyone, before we get into question answer, I really, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you, and I seek your support. Not support as media people, because as media people you have so many films you can write about, so many things are done. All of us will keep doing films, and you will come, I'll come. But this is something, it's very important, because today India is going through such a danger. We are not realizing from all sides, nobody wants India to grow today. The entire Islamic world doesn't want us to grow. The entire Europe doesn't want us to grow. China and all Eastern countries don't want us to grow. There is so much of funding coming in, and all this unrest which you read, it is happening, it's going to happen to you, it's going to happen to your children, it's going to happen to your friends, brothers and neighbors.